Hey everyone, I'm coming to you from the future. No, but seriously, right now we're in Colorado, it's mid-August, and the Vegas video was filmed back in June. And so I just wanted to let you know that this video is going to be a little bit different because when we were in Vegas, we treated it like a vacation. So we just didn't pick up the camera as much and didn't talk to it. However, we still filmed enough to show you our experience there and all the cool things that we did. So this video is a little different than we usually put out, but we hope you enjoy it anyway. We're getting our first oil change ever today, so it's interesting to see the process. We barely fit into the bay at Jiffy Lube. Okay, so we have a complete change of plans. We were planning to stay in Cedar City for about 3 days, but I looked at the weather today for Vegas. It's going to be like 117 degrees during the day and 90 at night. That's the low. So today we did all of our chores that we were going to spread out over the 3 days. We got an oil change for the first time. That was pretty cool. We did laundry and we just shopped at Walmart. Also, last time I bought like 30 limes and 30 lemons and I can't believe how fast I went through them. So this time I got like 40 and 50 of each. We just drove through some spectacular mountains on our way to Vegas, where we'll be for the next couple of days. We have some fun things planned and some cool experiences.
Yeah, didn't she say do something special?
Yeah, there's like a phone at the gate.
Oh, okay.
Well, look at all those RVs. Oh, look at that water. It's like a slide.
Yeah.
And there's a line. Wow, we can go on the slide.
I'm so like excited.
We are staying at Circus Circus Hotel in Las Vegas. It's the only hotel with an RV park right on the strip. Getting cold.
You have to go to the bathroom. There's not a bathroom in here, but you can come out. It's out here around the corner and then come back in.
This is crazy.
This is too cool. Alright, so we're gonna try to take this cut back to the hotel. It's a 30-minute walk in 100-degree weather.